ya Kilifi nigo muraiwense Dr. William Ruto kubwatirana na baraibande Koigeka Rigena Ri'Oboroso asobwaga chibwa vipingo Special Economic Zone ritkolya lero okwana Ruto nigo aenekebuna abasae wetania chiribu 35 nigo barachie kwenyorera emirimo asaenekebuna umorobiryo nigo rachie korenta abantu korwa ase chinse chesko Koigeka enibo yabo imeyense ya Kenya.
This is an important opportunity for Kenya to be part of the global value chain of manufacturing, to be part of the industrial and manufacturing value chain of the world. And it is because there is greater belief in our country. There is going to be an investment in this special economic zone in Vipingo of $3 billion. And I have friends here from Afri-Exim Bank, from Arise, and from our own local investors, people who are going to work together to unlock the potential, the manufacturing and industrialization potential of Kenya, because we want to position Kenya as the gateway to the bigger market of Africa under the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. We have 1.5 billion people in this continent, and the industrial manufacturing capacity of the future is moving from elsewhere into this continent. And we want Kenya to be the first port of call as those industries are relocating from wherever they are relocating.